How to enable auto reply on Facebook pages. So let's get started. So hello guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. If you also want to enable your auto reply on your Facebook pages, so here's what you need to do. So first, just head over to any of your favorite browser and simply open up the Facebook. So Facebook pages, make sure you have already logged into your Facebook page. As you can see, I've already logged into my Facebook page. So now just tap on this messenger option or messenger logo over here, and it will open the direct you to the page of Business Suite. So once you're inside here, you can simply tap on this automation icon over here. Just select it. And as you can see, there are a lot of features or automations you can try out. So here is what we are looking for, that is instant reply. So just tap on this try it button over here. Now it will ask where would you like to use this automation. So I will want to like this to use in both of my pages, since I also have an Instagram page for this page. And once you do all of that, you can also edit your customize your message so that what you can show out